County with the Governor Fernandez. Baraza, thank you so much for that. Now moving on, the Senate Committee on Energy has proposed the use of solar energy as an alternative to geothermal energy. Speaking at Kiawara in Nyeri County, the committee led by its chairman, Wahome Wamatinga, stated that the committee will come up with a report to advocate for the use of clean energy and ensure that the county stops relying too much on geothermal power. Wamatinga also noted that solar power would help relieve Kenya the power importation burden. Kenya imports energy from Ethiopia.
We have interacted with the issues. The team from Kenya Power in this particular region have actually helped us a lot to understand what the problems are. There was a moratorium that was put in place on negotiation of new power purchase agreements. And this is what is delaying Mr. Maina. So a simple task like this, I think the challenge is going to be thrown to the new minister. I understand the new permanent secretary or the principal secretary also comes from Nyeri. I think this should not be a matter that should engage the committee for too long. We need to have a conversation with the ministry, the minister and the PS to lift that moratorium so that at least power producers such as him that are producing clean energy can at least continue that conversation with Kenya Power for them to be able to resolve the outstanding issues.
We know that our president has pronounced himself to the fact that we need to move to green energy, and moving to green energy means that we have to embrace a lot of solar, a lot of wind, and this we know that the technology in the country will rely heavily on maybe foreign investors, and if it becomes so complicated then to set up, then we know that the achievement of the hustler agenda of industrialization and starting up cottage industries may not be realized. Therefore, these are a fact that we would want to sit down as a committee for energy and have a conversation how we can make that one easier.
Where we are is we need to be commissioned, basically. We need to be put on the grid as early as tomorrow, or in fact yesterday. The problem we are facing with the government, because there was a moratorium, there's a gazette notice that has issues with the tariff, and also there are some we have not finished the negotiations. So that brings us to a lot of problem with the investors. We have got about $2 million already on the ground right now, and it is accumulating interest.
All right, that's it for Weekend at 1. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Fatia Mohammed Noor. Enjoy the rest of your viewing.